On receipt of several complaints and tags on the Facebook, including WhatsApp messages and on my social media accounts, of this board which was put up at the Mopa International Airport, which shows Washroom on the top and the picture of the Basilica of Bon Jesus below, I went to verify the pictures which were there on the social media accounts, and I found that this was a very shocking picture, because this picture does not indicate any arrow sign to show there's a washroom to the left or the right, but simply seems to be a standalone advertisement to show that the Basilica is a washroom. This is shocking because the Basilica of Bon Jesus houses the body of Saint Francis Xavier. Saint Francis Xavier, you know, is the patron saint of Goa, who is revered not only by the Catholics but also by non-Catholics, not only from Goa but also from other parts of India and the world, along with Catholics from other parts of India and the world. This kind of a picture which is put up showing the Basilica as a washroom is not only intended to hurt religious sentiments but also an insult to all the Goans, the Catholics, the non-Catholics and all others who worship Saint Francis Xavier across the world. The Basilica is a church of the Roman Catholic faith in which masses are being held, and it's not a toilet the way it is being portrayed or a washroom, and therefore I drafted a complaint and I sent it by WhatsApp to the officer in charge of the Mopa International Airport demanding action. I have asked him to register an FIR under section 295A, 504, 505 subsection 2, read with 34 IPC, against the event management company which has put up this board, the government officials who have approved it, and any other person responsible for this who may be unknown persons. I have also demanded that the police call for the CCTV footage under section 91 of the CRPC and obtain this footage to find out who installed the board over there and who brought the board, the vehicle in which it was brought, to find out who is the mastermind of this kind of a outrage which is being caused, an insult to the community. I have demanded that after the FIR, action be taken in accordance with law. I think this is something very serious, and I think that the government also needs to act, but the complaint has to be first registered with the officer in charge of the police station, which I have done. The hard copy will be sent tomorrow, but before the evidence disappears, I have demanded that immediate action be taken. Definitely, this kind of a board is in total bad taste, trying to create religious divides and completely against the ethos of the Goan community.